In this video, I'm gonna show you how to mute your ringtones on the VIVO IQOO 005 Pro. So in order to do this, there's a few ways, and the first one is to scroll down our notification or the toolbar, however you call it, and here simply turn off the ringtones like this. Now to turn them back on, make sure that it looks like this. Now let me show you another option, and here simply volume down or volume up your phone and click on this icon again, and that way you'll mute ringtones. Next one is to scroll down this bar when you increase the volume, and here mute the ringtone with this motion. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.